can't believe it. All this time, I had no idea. I mean, I knew I wasn't the most popular person in school, and that was fine. But I didn't realize I was a nerd.
Sue, I'd like to tell you a little story about two other nerds I know, Ryan Gosling and Emma Stone.
What?
Can't you picture Ryan Gosling as a freshman, sitting at the lunchroom table all alone? And far across the country, with her headgear and her braids, wasn't also somewhat awkward Emma Stone. Do you think they let the populars define them?
Wow.
Do you think they let the cool kids give them guff?
I don't know.
Did they hide their sweet cross-bite corrected smiles when they felt down? But they sang a song like this when times got rough. If you're bummed when you look into the mirror, you just shout into the glass with no regrets. Who's that junior peer leadership advisor? She's the person who invented wrestlerettes.
So you know every sonnet from The Tempest, and you wear your heart upon your puffy sleeve. Don't let other slings and arrows put a damper on your day. Throw your hands up high and shout out, I believe.
I believe. What's this obsession with labels?
Labels are nothing to fear.
Tell those Tom, Dick, and Harry and Mabels.
The only thing that really should be labeled is a year.
And if you don't believe me, if you don't think it's true, here's a list of some great march to their own drummers just like you.
Albert Einstein, Tina Fey.
Neil deGrasse Tyson, hip hooray!
Zuckerberg, yeah, now you're talking.
Give it up for Stephen Hawking!
Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and Yanni.
George Takei, Kumail Nanjiani.
All those hobbits, all those rings. Don't forget the kids from Stranger Things. And just think, next September when we're juniors, think of all the great things we can do.
Perhaps I'll take a cello.
Perhaps I'll meet a fellow.
And we'll tell ourselves whenever we're blue.